English tip by tip.
Tip 71. Nouns plural. Add s. Example. Singular. Cat. Plural. Cats. Add es. If ending in s, double s, sh, ch, x, or z. Example. Singular. Box. Plural. Boxes. Change y to ies. Example. Singular. City. Plural. Cities. Add s after the vowel followed by y. Example. Singular. Boy. Plural. Boys. Change f or fe to ves. Example. Singular. Knife. Plural. Knives. Irregular plural. Example. Singular. Child. Plural. Children. Singular. Woman. Plural. Women. Same in singular and plural. Example. Singular. Ship. Plural. Ship. Tip 71. Exercise. Write the plural form. Boat. Boats. House. Houses. Bus. Buses. Wish. Wishes. Box. Boxes. Spy. Spies. Baby. Babies. City. Cities. Woman. Women. Man. Man. Child. Children. Tooth. Teeth. Foot. Fit. Wife. Wives. Life. Lives. Potato. Potatoes. Fish. Fish.
Please subscribe to the channel. Not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.